Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Bad Dad from Huddle Hogs, and today I'm going to be talking about a one-off token that I have found a little bit of interest in. Not typical of me um, chasing tokens such as this one, but it caught my eye looking at it being listed on some of these exchanges, and I was just taking notice of it and thought, you know what? Let me go ahead and take a small gamble here, and I'll explain why here in this video. So what we have here right now is the SLP, which is the Smooth Love Potion token that is listed on Binance. What I did was I went to CoinGecko and found what exchange has the highest volume, and this is the pair that has the highest volume for Smooth Love token, Smooth Love Potion. So I think it's very important right now, and we're at a very critical moment in this SLP token, and I'm going to show you a comparison between Smooth Love Potion with Bitcoin and how Smooth Love Potion made this massive run up when Bitcoin was just at the bottom recovering. And I talked about this recovery here in my channel. If you go to my channel, you can find it on institutions buying the dip. It's Bitcoin Versal Monday, Wall Street's buying. Take a look at that video and you can see why I believe that was the bottom and why this is going to be the reversal point. So what I'm going to pull up now is the Bitcoin in the background, right? You can see the background right here. Bitcoin's in the background in this orange outline. And right here, okay, was Bitcoin having bottomed out and then rolled back over. This was the dip and it rolled back over. We're going to pull it up in the Bitcoin chart. So we're going to flip the charts with the orange is going to be in the background being SLP. So you can see if I take off SLP just for a split second, let me close that out, hide that, and get rid of that one. It's double. So if I hide that, here it is. This is Bitcoin when it bottomed out right here. This is the most important point to be aware of, right? And it rolled back over. And this is the second most important point. Let me pull back up SLP. At this point, when Bitcoin fell out, made a lower low than this previous point right here, when it made a lower low, this is when SLP started running up and made a 200% gain. So if I pull back up this chart, I'm reversing the position now. If you take it from this bottom to the top, if you had bought the bottom to the top, that is a 500% gain. If you had just bought this bottom and run it up, it's about approximately a 300% gain, okay? So where are we today in that chart? So it's funny that Bitcoin hadn't even recovered yet till here to make its move up, and already SLP made a new, practically made a double top, so met its all-time high as Bitcoin was just now turning around. So look at it today. A lot of people are calling out that Bitcoin has bottomed out, right? And you can find that in the video that I mentioned earlier. Going back to the other chart, we're going to look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's in the back. You can see this wick down and this low. Compare it back here. This wick down to this low. Are we rolling back over, right? Is this going to be rolling back over? And if it does, this is the moment when it rolled over, right? When it started coming up and then it rolled over. This is the moment that SLP, which is in the background, the orange, made its highs. So are we there now? SLP has fallen off. Man, that's a 95% retrace from its all-time low to where it's at here. So this is a 95% retrace because the all-time low was 0.0032, I believe. So it's a little bit further down than what's listed on this, right around here. That's the all-time low. So it's got a 400% gain from all-time low to where it's at right now. So if you're able to get in now and this is able to run up with Bitcoin, if it does reverse, as you can see that it's starting to turn around, this may end up making the highs again or maybe even exceeding past it. So this is a great entry to get involved in. So anyways, like I said, this is a one-off video that I'm making about SLP. I'm not sponsored or anything. So, I mean, with what, 23 subscribers, it's not like I'm selling this token or anything. But anyways, this is all just for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. And again, I practically just bought this bottom. I did. I'm a pig, man. I'm gonna run this up, or I'm gonna get slaughtered. Either way, I'm accepting whatever outcome comes from this. So if you guys get involved, that's on you as well. But just something to keep an eye on. Looks great, looks promising to me. Something to speculate on, right? So, all right. Good luck, all. Take care.